We will be covering these topics in this course. We have covered the introductions. Now we will be moving to option chain basics. Most of you might be knowing what option chain basics are, but this is just a refresher. Moving on. This is a NSE website, and I'm looking at the NIFTY option chain. So not much to look, but can you tell me in which direction market has moved just by looking at the option chain? Giving you a minute to think about it. Okay. If you are still thinking, you can pause the video here. Let me continue. Market must have moved downwards because you can see the calls have lost prices across the board and puts have gained it. So if I have to tell you, so put basically means if you are selling put, you're betting that this is a put level, the strike price, that if you're selling, the market will remain above this price. If you are buying put, you are betting that market will remain below this price point. What does effectively it means is that the option chain is seller's market. So when you are looking that prices are increasing across the board on decreasing it, that means people are expecting the market will go down further, and hence the premiums are increasing on the put side. Similarly, on the call side, when market is falling, since it's a seller market, the premium will start reducing. So to go back to the screen, when I'm expecting that put sell, the market will remain above a certain level. Okay. Now, if something the market is price is falling here, the risk is increasing for this level, right? Since the risk is increasing, this bet is increasing the premium. So all the put prices, all the strikes, they will gain price, and sellers will have more juice to sell, and buyers will have to pay more premium to buy these strikes. Okay. Now we have covered what net change means and where the market has moved. Second point is how to check the direction. So this is just end of the day, that where the market has moved and hence it happened, but what is the general direction? So you can find all the data pertaining to this script for this expiry in this option chain board. There is no other data available, and everything is which is required is here. So if you look at the OI, this is the total open interest for calls. This is calls, and this is the total open interest for puts. So if I have to check what is the put to call ratio, which we call PCR. So all I have to do is put to call means put divided by call. So put is 17,447,625 divided by 23,502,375. The PCR is 0.74. You can verify this if you search on Google IIFL PCR. You will find the PCRs here as well for index. So we are looking at 20th, it's 0.74. Our calculator says 0.74. Not just this, you can also calculate previous day PCR. So this is the OI for today. This is the change in OI. Change in OI is what is a net change, but there is no total given here. So what you can do is you can simply copy the data. 1 second. Put it to the Excel. And do this. So I'm doing a sum here, I'm doing a sum here, sum here, sum here. PCR today equal to, this is the put divided by, this is the call, 0.74. PCR yesterday will be Control Z. So put yesterday, total put yesterday is equal to this minus this. Call yesterday will be equal to this minus this. So PCR yesterday will be this by this. So yesterday it was above 1 and now it has fallen below 1. What it means is the number of puts sold were higher yesterday than calls, and today number of puts sold are way lesser than calls sold. We will come back to this concept again. Jumping back, so this is how you can look at the option chain. You will know what is the price at which you can sell any strike, the price at which you can buy, what was the total quantity sold and buy, the current LTP going on, and the change in the price. So basically this also you can find that for 1050, if today's price is 680, so 680 and this is green, so which means your price yesterday was this minus this. So this minus this is 680 minus 235, it's 4.45. Similarly, this minus this will mean simply it got added. So 2.65 minus 0.2. So yesterday price was 2.85. That's all for option basics.